All right, we're on I-270. I'm fifth field going line, convoy. Up ahead is Santa, followed by Brian.
I do not know why I'm dead behind me. You guys need to be 5 and 10 miles out, telling traffic behind us 5 to 10 miles to be slowing down. I don't know.